Let's face it, mornings are a struggle, but I know if I carefully plan my day, I could actually recover some precious time. I hate how timelines get me all stressed out. You know, timelines, deadlines, running out of time. So being prepared in the morning is really important to me, and that's why I tackle breakfast, lunch and dinner in one hit. Tip Top Extra Protein Bread is an easy way to add protein to my family's diet with the great white bread taste that we all know and love. It's higher in protein than other white bread, and actually 2 slices give you 20% of your daily protein needs.
Boys, breakfast is ready.
With Tip Top Extra Protein, I know that my kids and I are getting the protein, fibre and energy we need to help us power through the day. Look, I don't know what happens at your house, but around here, from the moment the boys get home from school, the chaos begins, literally at the door. Does it sound insane if I say that Tip Top saved the day? Because seriously, the boys never complain about having the same old boring snacks anymore. Everyone's happy with the Tip Top Extra Protein Bread. Don't forget to give us a like below, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel.